Rob Williamson, and today I'm going to show you how to do an install on a Ready-Fit StormSack. When you open the box, you'll get your adjustable support flanges, both top and bottom. The bottom has this return lip bent on it. You'll get a couple of hardware packs, the main frame plate here, StormSack itself, and your filler pieces. First thing you're going to do is loosely assemble the support flanges. At each corner, you're going to take a carriage bolt, a bottom flange, and a top flange, and you're going to line them up over the square cutout. Insert the carriage bolt from the bottom, and you're going to take your flat washer, split lock washer, and 14mm hex nut. Loosely tighten them for now. We're going to repeat that on all four sides. With all your flanges loosely assembled, we're going to attach the StormSack to the frame. Flip the unit over, take your StormSack, line up the corners, and you're going to slide the straps right through each of the slots that they line up with. Once you've got all the straps through, you just want to go underneath and pull them down, make sure that the StormSack is snug with the plate. Then you're ready to flip the unit back over. And with the unit flipped over and the straps pulled all the way through, you're going to open up your bag of sack clips. And there's one that goes through each strap. With your flanges all loosely assembled and your StormSack in place with a clip on each strap, you're going to go over to your inlet, remove the grate, and take a measurement of the clear opening between the grate support ledges. Do that in both directions, and then we're going to adjust the flanges to fit the inlet. Once you've got your flanges approximately where they should be, you can tighten the flanges down to make them more hands tight. It doesn't have to be perfect at this point, but you do want to double check, make sure the flanges didn't shift while you were tightening. Then you can grab the straps on the StormSack and bring your unit over to the inlet. Drop it in place, and then you just want to push the flanges all the way out. Make sure you're making max contact on the grate support ledge. Once you've done that, you're ready to grab your 14mm wrench and tighten up all the carriage bolts. Once that's complete, you're going to take a measurement from inside of each flange. With that, we can trim down our filler piece. Using a straight edge, just want to mark where you need to cut, a quick score with a utility knife, and then you're going to cut right through. Now that you've got your filler piece cut to the appropriate length, put the folded edge along the inside of the flanges, and you're going to push down on the carriage bolts to form an indent on the opposite side. Then with your utility knife, you're just going to make a little cut so that the carriage bolts can come through. Bring it back over. Once you've pushed your carriage bolts through, you're going to take the filler piece back out, and we're just going to mark 1.5 inches from the carriage bolt hole. Make one last cut on the filler piece. And with that, you can insert the filler piece into the Ready-Fit. And you're going to repeat that on all four sides. Once you've got all your filler pieces cut down to size and pushed down onto the carriage bolts, then you just take your push nut, bolt covers and put them over each carriage bolt, and that'll help hold down the filler pieces. Then just take the sack and you want to pull the straps down so that you've got your bypass opened up. For maintenance, the unit is very easy to remove. You can grab the lifting tabs on the StormSack, or you can put a J-hook through them to help you lift if it's filled with sediment. And you just pick up the bag and it picks up the frame, and then you can remove it for dumping or cleaning. After that, you can put your grate back on the support ledges and you're good to go to the next inlet.